Hi, my name is Jason with Foxfury Lighting, and today I'm here to talk to you about some of the mounting options available for our Rugo and Rugo 2 drone and camera lights. As for our mounting option for the DJI Phantom 4, we have our Phantom 4 mount. You'll notice that there is a notch on the mount itself, and there's a tab on the bottom of the Rugo or Rugo 2 unit. That's so you know exactly which way that the unit would mount. Once you've lined those two up, you could go ahead and use the two thumb screws supplied to secure the mount directly to the Rugo. Once you have your Rugo or Rugo 2 light attached to your Phantom 4 mount, you can go ahead and attach it to your vehicle. You'll want to do so by inserting both sides of the mount into the bars. You'll twist the unit down to lock it in place, and then you'll attach the bottom bar to the mount by just pressing it into place. To remove it, you'll go ahead and repeat the same process, but in the opposite order. You'll press up towards the underside of the mount to release the bottom bar, and then you'll twist back in towards the unit to release the mount. As a disclaimer, this mount only works on DJI Phantom 4 drones, not any of the earlier or later models. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If you'd like more information, please visit our website. You could reach us via email, phone, or live chat.